Welcome to our tutorial on how to add your uncle to your family members on Facebook using your PC. In just a few simple steps, you can expand your family connections and share memorable moments on social media. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Facebook homepage. Step 2. Click on your profile photo from the top right corner to access your profile. Step 3. Next, click on About to view and manage your profile information. Step 4. In the Family and Relationships tab, locate and click on Add Family Member under the Family Members section. Step 5. Enter the account name of your uncle in the designated field. Step 6. Select Uncle from the drop-down menu, specifying the relationship with your family member. Step 7. Finally, click Save to add your uncle as a family member on Facebook. And there you have it. Your uncle is now included in your family members on Facebook. By following these straightforward steps, you can strengthen your family bonds and keep connected with your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time.